Good afternoon, it's Susan at King Cole, and here's Joanne as well. We are here to talk about...
We are with Christmas books today. So we just want to, first of all, go back briefly to Christmas Crochet Book 7, which is the book we bought out last Christmas. That was 2021.
I know, we're having to think now.
We are. And it was really, really well received. These are two of the items from it in their lovely little crocheted outfits. And there was also the Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus version. And then a few other things, a teddy baby girl dress, all that type of thing. But the question we kept getting asked was, we want a Christmas knits one, where if we don't crochet, we can knit them.
Yes.
So...
Absolutely, like all the time.
Here's one we prepared earlier. So, Christmas Knits Book 9 is our new one for this year. And as you can see, certain parts of it are to mirror the other one. So that was very intentional, so that the knitters and the crocheters can both make Mr. and Mrs. Claus and then do the little elf costumes.
They're absolutely adorable. I love this one with the little Fair Isle jumper and the rainbow. Rainbow.
It's a star. Snowflake. It's a snowflake. Sorry,
no. Antlers.
Antlers. Oh, yes. Well, yeah, it's got antlers on. They are part of
it's hot. The heat's got to it.
Yeah, even though we're doing Christmas. So, yeah, there's two little fairy dresses in there as well, one on each. But then after that, there's some different bits and pieces. So on this new one, I'll just pop that one down now.
Yes.
So, yeah, you've got the lovely little jumper and the antler hat and things. There's a few other bits and pieces in there as well. But that is the knitted version.
And they're absolutely adorable, I can tell you from looking through it.
Because it's quite difficult to tell on the actual bear which ones are knitted and which ones are crocheted, but obviously the garments are very
The garments you can tell very much
easily,
so, but they're adorable.
Identified, aren't they? So that's those two, and then we'll just pop that to one side.
We have another book as well, so I will get some of the garments out.
Yeah, I've got the book. Susan's got the garments. So we've got family Christmas knits. So we've got the one for the kids, which we've got it on a little girl, but actually, as you can see,
boy or girl,
work fine.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you can do it on either. Pick whichever background colour works for your child.
Knitted in a merino blend DK, but as you were saying earlier, price-wise
is another option, because we appreciate some of the stuff in this book. There's some small things, but some quite big things.
We'll show you later.
So you may want to knit a merino jumper, and that's lovely. You know, our merino blend DK has been around for years and is super popular, but not everybody can afford that, so you can knit with the price-wise and the big value ranges for these. So yeah, by all means do that. There is a little bit of tinsel as well.
Yes, we'll show you this one, because this is a particular favourite of Joanne's.
I love the star, just love the star. I probably would pick a different colour to the pink, because that pink's not one I would choose. I might, if I'm going proper Christmas, I might go red and do the whole thing.
And do the frozen bit too.
Yeah, and then we do a tinsel in frozen, which I'm particularly partial to. And the other one would be to do a blue jumper, because the tinsel frozen is got more of a blue tinge
to it. And it's quite fun, isn't it?
It is. So, you know, by all means go for whatever Christmas jumper works for you.
So if you see Joanne singing Let It Go, you know what's happening.
You know why.
Okay, shall we show the other one?
Yeah, show the man's one.
Because I like this one a lot.
You know.
Oops. Sorry.
Are you attached?
I'm attached to things.
Okay.
Yeah, but this one's great. You don't need to see me. You need to see Mr. Claus.
We've got Mr. Claus. We've got Ho 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 on it. These are done with the intarsia method. So if you don't know what that is, please do look it up before you start. There's some great little tips and techniques for how to work it. And it's not as complicated as it sounds, so have a little go.
It's just a fancy word.
It's a fancy word. Yeah, it is. So that's sort of dad, mum, children.
Yes.
And then, not forgetting,
some great ones in here.
The four-legged friend.
Yep. I have them on a hanger because it's easier to show.
Yeah.
Sorry, you don't need to see Teddy anymore.
That's the dog coat, and if you could just flick it round a moment. The brown is underneath, which is obviously a much more practical colour.
Oh, absolutely, especially if it's a small dog.
And again, it's DK, so you don't have to use merino. You can use one that's...
like acrylic machine washable, easy to maintain.
Yeah.
We love the pom-poms.
Again, little intarsia thing, and the pom-pom. There is a red nose actually stitched in, but you can stick the pom-poms on as well.
Why would you not put the pom-poms on it?
Oh, they do just make it really, don't they?
They do. It's adorable.
Yeah.
I can see some dogs in
These are done with charts and things inside, which we know people do like charts for these things. So all that's included in the book.
Yeah.
And then the other one we just wanted to show is the blanket.
It's quite heavy, so bear with me.
The blanket.
Have patience with me on this one.
Again, it's fairly huge. It's very heavy in the merino, and
I still have it on the hanger because
it's got
can we see
Santa and snowmen, and then some more of the reindeer in, along with a plain row in between. But of course, you can put whatever you want in for these, and at any point, you know, this is our suggestion, but these little,
you can do it all Santas if you want.
Yeah,
or
these
snowmen
tend to fit into each one of the oblongs. So, but it is a big, heavy blanket.
It is. Trust me.
So yeah, you might.
But it's beautiful.
Start early.
Yep, start early. It might take some time, but it is beautiful.
Yeah. Also included in the book was, you know, hats and cowls and stuff like that too.
Yeah.
Some plain, some more patterned, but just
get cracking now.
Yeah, have a look. You know, go and view it. There's images available online, so you can see the type of things you can make. So you can make the decision then before purchasing the book and things to go with it. But we hope you like it.
Yes.
We think that's a really good fun one.
We think they're cracking books this year.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Like this one's a lot of fun. The teddy bears are adorable. So yes.
Yeah. So that one's Family Christmas Knits Book 1 on that one. So I think that's it for now for our new Christmas offerings. We hope you like them. And show us, you know, when you've made these things, please
show us your makes, and don't forget to like us on social media. Okay? And it's goodbye from me for now. And Joanne as well. Okay. Bye.
Bye.